Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here at Shibuya Crossing here in Tokyo, Japan. So bali ito pong Shibuya Crossing ay napakasikat or napaka-popular nitong crossing na to. So kung makikita po ninyo ay talagang talagang criss-crossing po yung mga tao kapag tumatawid. That's going from almost all direction kasi nagko-cross po tong area na to. That's why it's being called the Shibuya Crossing. Pero isa sa mga nagpapasikat sa lugar na talaga nito, alam nyo ba kung bakit? Ito po ay na-feature or been part of the movie Alice in the Borderland, Lost in Translation, The Resident Evil Afterlife, at saka ang isa sa mga pinakasikat na franchise movie which is The Fast and the Furious, The Tokyo Drift. So dito po ginanap po yung Fast and Furious Part 2 which is the Tokyo Drift. That's why this place has been known as one of the most famous crossing in the world. So kung makikita po ninyo, sinubukan po nating tumawid dyan. Talagang rumaragasa po yung mga tao. It's coming from all direction at talagang marami pong kumukuha ng video diyan at sinubukan nating tumawid. Halos marami tayong nakakasabay na mga nagba-vlog diyan at pagtawid mo mayroon ding mga kumukuha ng video on the other side. So yan po yung Shibuya Crossing. Thank you very much for watching guys. Please don't forget to like and share my video and comment down below po on what is your reaction regarding the video na napanood po ninyo, and please drop a comment kung taga saan po kayo para malaman ko kung saan inabot tong video na to. Thank you very much for watching. God bless everyone.